This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Manitou and The Arrival. Join Manitou for an exclusive product launch event for its new large frame skid steers and CTLs. Register and learn more at manitou.com.
Welcome to the Weekly Iron for August 22nd. I'm Miles Cooksey filling in for Bill Elverman. Our pickup trucks serve a dual purpose, both as a work tool and personal transportation. Tom Berg test drives two different Ram 2500 heavy-duty pickup trucks to cover performance metrics, interior comfort, visibility, and technology. You can find the whole story on constructionequipment.com. Managers with on-road assets. It's always wise to prepare for volatility. Frank Raison digs into how telematics data, preventative maintenance, and operator training can help improve your fuel usage. A collaboration between Komatsu and Pronto deploys autonomous haulage technologies to North American quarries. This new OEM-agnostic solution will allow quarry operations to retrofit existing Komatsu vehicles or purchase new trucks equipped with Pronto's self-driving system. This enables 24/7 operation with minimal human intervention. Have a good weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday.